We just got back from MGM Las Vegas, and now we checked into MGM Springfield. I'm just gonna do a comparison. They both have very nice king size beds. This is a much darker room. Nice pictures on the wall. Both have 2 chairs. Ooh, MGM water. I love MGM water. So the water at MGM Vegas, you had to pay for the water, but here you don't. This TV, I guess the TVs are about the same size. What I like about the one here is you can pull it out. So when you're in the bed, you can like kind of see it better. And let's check out our view. The other location in Vegas, we had a view of New York Hotel and some other hotels like Tropicana. This one, you have the street view, Springfield. I like that. Now let's check out the bathroom. Floors are nice. Bed is soft. 4 pillows. Here we have the closet area, which comes with the Keurig coffee machine. 4 flavors, 2 more MGM bottled water. So we have 6 waters here. A safe and a ironing board. I noticed there's no dresser here for clothes. The other one has a dresser, but there's plenty of places to put your clothes here. Okay. And here we go. Here is the bathroom. Nice bathroom. You got your toilet area, which is private. And then we have a large, very large mirror. It's very modern. Got your soap. And here's the shopper. Nice. Same exact toiletries. The same exact ones were at the MGM Vegas. So here we have it. So overall, this is a more modern room, but they're very compatible, and I'm sure I'll enjoy my stay here just as well as I enjoyed my stay over there. Ooh, nice. They gave us earplugs. It's with a poem that says, "The day is done. Today was fun. Hopefully you won. You're ready to rest and be at your best. The city doesn't sleep, but it's time to count your sheep." Sweet dreams from MGM. 2 sets of headphones. But here we are. I like it a lot.